Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, 10,000% is possible in 2023. In the next 12 months, yes, Tectonic token can hit 10,000% increase in price. Remember, Tectonic token been doing well recently, and this coin is going to gain more partnership in 2023. More crypto exchanges might be listing Tectonic token, and when that happens, we are going to expect an increase in price. Tectonic token, yes, is a small cap, still growing, but I know that they have a good project. Take a look at the roadmap, what they are actually trying to offer. I think they have a better project to offer in 2023, and let's hope to see what they will be telling us on this their anniversary. Remember, they're celebrating their 1 year anniversary, but I'm expecting Tectonic token to delete a zero within the next few weeks. Yes, deleting a zero will definitely help this coin more to gain the attention, to get more crypto investors might be coming in. So I believe deleting a zero is going to help the Tectonic token price to pump. Tectonic token can delete 2 zeros before the end of 2023. Tectonic token can destroy 2 zeros before the end of next 12 months, and that's about 10,000%. So whether you buy Tectonic token right now with $100, you might be getting about $10,000. Whether you are investing $10, you might be getting about $1,000. So if you are investing $1,000, you might be getting $100,000 if done. So I believe the developers, they believe 2023 is going to be a better year, not just for Tectonic token. I also believe it's going to be a better year for other crypto coins. Even 2023, BTC, I expect Bitcoin to hit back at its all-time price of 67,000, and BTC might even hit up to $100,000 in 2023. And when that happens, there is going to be more bump, more increase for Tectonic token and other crypto coins. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.